everybody, welcome back to my channel. Shauna here, and I am doing a trunk club unboxing today. This is only my second trunk, and so I think by the end of this video I'm gonna be able to form an opinion about what I think about trunk club, so wait until the end to see what I think. I have some opinions, but with only one box, I'm trying to keep an open mind. For those of you who watched my last video, I wanted to let you know that I ended up just keeping the boyfriend jeans. I liked everything, but the thing that I kept getting drawn back to are the jeans. And I wanted to be really critical with my dollars prior to my vacation and only get things that I really loved and wanted to keep and take on my trip. And also, I knew that I had another box coming. I'll probably have one more Stitch Fix box before I go, so I have plenty of time to figure out my packing list. As you know, Trunk Club sends tons of stuff, so let me get to the try-ons so that this video isn't crazy long. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, here's the first outfit, and I was able to put on a bunch of stuff. This yellow blazer is made out of like sweatshirt material, so it's pretty thin, it's not lined. It's okay, cute, but the quality is quite poor. So, and it doesn't really do anything for me. The shape is kind of blah. The color is fun. I love yellow, and I know that kind of this baggy, oversized blazer thing is the look right now, but I don't know if this does anything for me. I think I could do a better blazer. Now, the next thing is this white button-up shirt, and it's by Halogen, I believe. I'll put it on the screen, what it is and how much it costs. But I don't know if you guys remember from my last box, and if you didn't, you can rewatch my video. I'll put it up there so you can access it. But I got a white button-up shirt the last box. It was long sleeve, but it was just a white button-up shirt. Now, this is cute, but how many white button-up shirts do we need? And I would say that it's too big because it doesn't do anything for me, but it was kind of shaped like this even on the model. Like it's a oversized kind of drapey shirt. Do I need two white button-up shirts? I don't think so. And then the jeans are Wit and Wisdom, and they're indigo, and in my last trunk I got Wit and Wisdom jeans in indigo, skinny jeans, so they're different, but they're really close. So I'm kind of surprised that they sent such similar jeans, again, the exact same brand. So yeah, they're cute. They're maybe a little bit big. They're kind of sliding down already. They're size 14, and yeah, they're cute enough, but yeah, and I bought them. It's not even like I got them, I bought them. And I bought the white shirt too, so it's kind of weird. The last thing are these Adidas little sneakers. Now, these are a little bit big, and so I'd have to size down, but they're pretty cute, and I needed some kind of all-white sneakers. And these are fun because they have like little silvery, shiny threads and accents on it, which is kind of fun, and some really fun new sneakers would be good for my trip to London. So yeah, they're a little bit big, but they're really cute. I think my daughter might try to steal them though. Maybe I need something less cute so she doesn't try to steal them. That sounds stupid. But okay, I will try on the next thing. I'm a little disappointed that they sent me the same, really close to the same thing that I bought last time. Okay, let's try on the next outfit and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the second outfit, and I actually didn't want to like it, and I like it more, not that I didn't want to like it, but I didn't think I would like it. I've never had pants like this before. And I don't know how to tie it. I'm gonna have to do a tutorial on how to tie these, but they're real wide leg, kind of khaki pants, and I'll back up so you can see I put them with some little ballet flats. I think they're too big, But even then, they're supposed to be kind of baggy. I don't know. I've never had pants like this. They're kind of a wrinkled mess already. And I'm not much for ironing. I don't know about these. Tell me what you guys think about these pants. It's a different style than I'm used to wearing. I've always typically been, you know, kind of hippie and busty, and so getting things with really wide legs to make myself bulkier just didn't add up to me. So I'm not used to wearing this kind of thing. And the shirt is too big as well. And I don't know why, because other clothes are fitting me in this size, but it's quite big here and it's really loose around here. But this is a super, super thin, maybe linen kind of crepey material, and it is also kind of a wrinkled mess. I'm not even sure how you iron it or if you iron it. I think it was quite expensive. I'll have to look at the price at the end, but it's super thin and seems kind of low quality to me. The pants aren't. The pants seem like good quality. The fabric is soft, but just they will require some ironing or steaming. But this shirt, I'm not sure I love it. I'm not sure it does anything for me. Let me know what you think. Okay, let me try on the next outfit. I'll be right back. Okay, here is the next outfit. And I feel a little like a cat burglar. I'm all in black, which isn't really my style. Here I am rocking it anyway. Okay, so the first thing is this black tunic. It's really soft, it's thick. It goes down past my rear end. It's nothing special. I think it fits. Maybe it could be a little bit smaller, but it's a tunic. It's supposed to be a little bit loose. The next thing is the thing that I was really excited about because everybody talks about these. My sister has a couple pair, people rave about them. And remember the last outfit I said maybe I need to size down? There is no sizing down in these Spanx faux leather leggings. Now, I am new to leggings. There is no sizing down in these. It is all in there. They are tight. I mean, not tight too small, but they're Spanx. They're keeping it all in. And so tell me what you think about these. I dressed them down because lots of people say dress them up, dress them down, put them with heels, put them with tennis shoes. I thought black leggings could be great in my trip to London. I put them with, what they sent me is some old school black Vans, which are great. You can't go wrong with Vans. I love them. I don't know if I need them right now, but they're really cute little black classic Vans. But tell me what you think of these, guys. They're pretty fun though. They're 98 bucks. People swear that they're worth it. Maybe I need to branch out and go with some faux leather Spanx. Scary. All right, I have one more thing to try on. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the last thing. And apparently this is the pajama edition of Trunk Club. I left it on with my faux leather leggings. But what's this? What? I'm drowning. I don't even know what to do with this. I mean, they send you in an email your trunk to look at it and take things out, and I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it in. I'm gonna branch out. I'm gonna see what it really is like. It is so thin. You can see my pants through it, my bra through it. You can see everything through it. It is so incredibly thin. It seems like, I mean, it's, yeah, kind of holy. I don't know what to think about this. And it's, hold on, let me look at the price. This is $80. $80. I'm not sure. Okay. So does it seem like I received lots of big, bulky type clothes? Because not just that they're missized, because I think there were some things, and maybe even this one is is sized wrong, except for the sleeves are right. The shoulders seem to be hitting, well, maybe a little bit big, but this is meant to be loose and flowy. The tunic loose and flowy. Both shirts loose and flowy, the pants loose and flowy. The only things that weren't were like the skinny jeans and the leggings. What's that all about? All right, let me get my regular clothes on and we'll talk about what we like, what we didn't like, do a little bit of trunk club Stitch Fix comparison and let you guys decide. All right, let me know what you think about this. Am I being critical? I don't know. All right. Okay, let's quick go through my kind of impressions and value of all the things and things that I may or may not get. Okay, so the first thing are these Adidas sneakers. I wanted to give you a closer look at them. They have the little silver and little silver bit here. They're pretty cute. They're too big. I'd have to size down, which is no problem. And they're 80 bucks. I mean, I think that's probably pretty standard and they're cute. So I may end up getting those. Not too bad there. The next item was this Paperbag, or it's by Halogen, Paperbag waisted belt pant, and it's $89. They seemed a little too big. I'm not sure they're my style at all. I was trying to think back at my Pinterest board and I don't think that I pinned anything, I don't have anything like this because I just don't wear khaki pants and I work from home and I wear PJs all day. Maybe that striped shirt is good for me. Okay, so those are probably a no unless everybody's like, those are amazing. But for $89, I don't know. Okay, and this is the 2-pocket knit blazer by Caslon, $60. It's a thin sweatshirt material with no shape. I love yellow. This is not it. It could have been great. But $60, I mean, you get better quality at Old Navy for something like this. So that's gonna be a no. The next is, I can't even express to you how confused I am about this. So that's a definite no. All right, then there's the Halogen. And Halogen, I'm deciding, has good quality things, but this is the V-neck point knit tunic for 60 bucks. It's a V-neck t-shirt, but it's so plain and so bulky. I just don't think it does anything for me. Then we have this drape neck tank top. This is by Halogen, but I just want to show you, I mean, this is out of the box wrinkly. How do I even iron? I mean, I guess you just iron or steam it, but it's so much fabric here. It's so bulky. And yeah, I think it's linen, I would say. Okay, so this is $49. I don't think that's totally unreasonable price, but for something that will always be in a pile waiting to be ironed. Okay, here are the Vans. Adorable, love them. Super cash fun, could be good for London or for whatever. I am kind of in the market for a new pair of casual sneakers like this. And they are 60 bucks. I think that's what they are kind of everywhere for kind of this classic style. Then we have the Wit and Wisdom Absolution high-rise ankle skinny jean, which are like almost exactly what I got last time in indigo, which is what I got last time. And I mean, they're cute and super stretchy. It's like they have this little elastic waistband on the inside. Such an old lady. So these are 68 bucks, which I think is a good price, but I just got these, so we're not gonna do that. The Spanx faux leather leggings. I might get these just because people rave about them. Tell me what you think or your experience with these. Can you really dress them up, dress them down? Do the quality last? I mean, they're 98 bucks, right? Yeah, $98. Whew, that's a lot of money for leggings. Should I go somewhere else to get leggings? But people rave about these, so let me know what you thought. These are pretty fun and would be kind of a fun addition to my wardrobe. So those I like. Now the last thing is this Madewell blouse. And I think it's actually cream. I think I said it was white. It says white on there, but it seems kind of a cream color. And it's cute. I think it's too bulky. I would definitely want to size down, but even then it's kind of a bulky shirt. So I don't think I need another one of these. And I just got a Madewell button-up white blouse, long sleeve, out of the last box. So I don't think I need these, and it's $65. So let's talk a little bit about my impression of Trunk Club. So, and I'm only saying this not to convince you to get something or not get something, but I want your impression as well. My thought on the last trunk, and I'm gonna say it's true for this one, is it's not customized. The note that was sent to me was totally generic. My notes to my stylist were not really paid attention to. I think they maybe looked at my Pinterest board. I did have those faux leather Spanx on there, but it didn't feel custom to my style really at all. Okay, that's number one. Number two is that I think, again, this is just my impression so far out of 2 boxes, is I think that Trunk Club puts in some Nordstrom quality or high quality, high priced, but high quality items that are names that we recognize that are really great pieces. But they slide in pieces that are names that we may not recognize. They're extremely low quality, but still that high price, that Nordstrom price that you would expect to see out of a box coming from Nordstrom's. And I don't want to say it's a scam, but I think it's a tactic for them to make money, is that they give you these really shitty pieces together with these high quality pieces, because if they sell a shitty piece, they make a ton of money off of it. They don't make a ton of money off of something that's a Madewell product that people know the quality and it's high priced and that's what you're gonna spend. They put these no-name brands in of shitty quality that are worse than Target, worse than Old Navy. Not that there's anything wrong with them, but the price matches their quality. You're not going to Target and Old Navy for super high quality, but you're also going for cheap prices. So I'm not totally sold on Trunk Club. This may be my last box. I don't think they're dialed into my style. Now, in Stitch Fix, I only write one note when my box is about to come, and I get one note back, but I feel that it is very styled to me when I haven't got that impression at all from Trunk Club. So let me know what you think about it. Have you had the same experience, or did you get really good quality stuff all the way through? Or maybe I just have a bad stylist. Let me know what you think. I would really love to hear your impressions of Trunk Club, because I think it will determine whether I decide to go forward with it or not. Okay, if you guys wouldn't mind liking my video if you like it, subscribe to my channel. I put out videos like this all the time. I think my next one is probably my son's Stitch Fix, so that'll be a fun one. All right, thanks so much for watching. Bye.